Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for coming to join me here on my YouTube channel. And today I am a little late, but getting started on Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. And this is the sketch for day one. And I already had a bunch of the papers pulled out and put down when I remembered to record. I'm at a retreat, so I'm a little out of sorts, and the recording and the video angles might be a little different, but it's still okay, and I just have to do voiceovers. So I also mounted my photos on this mat, and here's how I put my tape down, the tear tape, and then you can place it perfectly where you want it, and then pull the little strips out so that the tape adheres and everything is lined up the way you want it. So it works out really well. So there's the Now and Forever sticker sheet. I wanted to bring in some of those beautiful elements from there and add it to the corner of the photo mat. I couldn't find my fun foam, so here I finally pulled it out, and it's adhesive on one side, which is really nice, so you can adhere the unsticky side to the back of the sticker and then just tear it off the protective paper, and you have a sticker on fun foam. Yay! Love that. Funny that I say that, and now I go through and almost put the fun foam on the wrong side. The Now and Forever collection from Close to My Heart ended at the end of February, but oh my gosh, some of the elements were just so gorgeous and they fit perfectly with these wedding photos. The embellishments were stitched little pieces, flowers and hearts and butterflies, and I love them. I almost used 2 packages doing these pages. And those stickers, just they had gold highlights to them and just gorgeous. I love this collection. No wonder it sold out. I hope you got some of it. I'm going to quickly clean up here and then look for some other pieces that might fit into this page. I don't want to overwhelm it, but it just needs something a little bit more. The sticker sheet has a lot to offer, and I still have some of those stitched elements I can add too. And yes, those embroidered embellishments were stickers. What a great addition. So I'm really thinking this is enough. I've added just a couple more little things, and now I'm going to put the title on. That worked out well. And I made it in Cricut Design Space and used the offset feature for a layer. And now I'm going to do the finishing touch with the Dina Wakley acrylic gloss sprays, and I'm going to just spatter them on, and it's perfect. I did this for all the pages in this wedding album, and it just brought them all together. So thank you for joining me here, and make sure you check out everybody else that's playing along with this sketch and all the sketches all this month. Great inspiration. Take care. Have a wonderful day.